We were honored to host the esteemed scientific team from Kitasato Corporation, Japan, at Milann Fertility Center, Kumara Park, a NABH-accredited facility for a collaborative visit focused on enhancing embryological practices. The team engaged in meaningful interactions with our embryologists and students, sharing valuable insights on cryopreservation and lab excellence. The visit was an enriching experience, reinforcing our commitment to continuous quality improvement in patient care and clinical protocols. We thank the Kitasato team for their time and expertise and look forward to ongoing knowledge exchange and innovation, because collaborations like these propel us forward in knowledge, in care, and in innovation. Here's to global partnerships that make tomorrow possible today.